All right, guys. How you doing? Good afternoon. So somebody brought this button phone to me last week, to fix, and the phone was coming on. It wasn't charging. So I want to show you how you can perfectly fix any form of button phone charging port successfully without any need for them coming back. There's some people that after they fix charging ports, tomorrow they bring it back, next tomorrow they bring it back. No, this is the perfect way on how to fix charging ports. So guys, please, you need to like this video and share so that other people can also benefit from it. All right, so gently unscrew the knots gently. There are about 8 screw ports there, so I'm taking my time to unscrew them. Please, while doing this kind of job, you need to be very patient, because this type of phone, in the process of removing the casing, sometimes the screen can get damaged. So there's ways you're gonna open them. You have to be very patient, guys. So be sure that you've removed the screws. So I'm trying to remove it. Actually, I should be using 2 hands, but I'm using the other hand to hold on to this phone I use for recording, because I couldn't use my camera stand. All right, patiently remove the panel. Just patiently. Yes. Okay. You see, and fixing this thing, you can see this the charging port is also located close to the mouthpiece, and before then you have to remove this keyboard nylon. So gently remove it. I haven't done that. You have to be very careful. You can see I'm trying to remove it gently. Yes. Yeah. Then check it. And please, another thing, engineers, if you want to fix this type of charging port, be sure that you use the exact type. Be sure you use the exact type. This type of charging port is called Q1. So you have to be very careful of the type you use. So I don't, pull out after a while. You can see the mouthpiece is close to it, but I will fix it without damaging the mouthpiece. So leave that to me, and by the grace of God. So you have to apply your paste. That paste will make it moisturize. Apply, then you heat it. Actually, I was supposed to heat it from the base, but I decided to do it this way. But you can see the position of the hair gun. The hair gun is positioned to the left, not to the right, because if I should put it at the center or the right, it will damage the mouthpiece. So the blower, I have to put it to the left, so that once the thing is well heated, you don't have to force it at all. Once it's well heated, you can see the smoke coming out. Once it's well heated and the iron is desoldered, the lead is very soft, it should remove by itself. Once it's well heated, you have to be very careful that it doesn't touch the mouthpiece area. So patiently, you can try it for like 2 minutes, depending on the level of your hair gun. You can see I have to just remove it. Now brush it, clean it. Let me apply chemical to clean the front face. Then the wax remover will be needed to apply paste. Then you use your wax remover to remove the dirt and the excess lead. Yes, there's a wax remover. Yes, use it to clean the surface. So that's, yeah. Since, all right, so I've found a place to place the camera. Now I need to replace the charging ports. So guys, this process is very sensitive because you don't just remove the charging port and put it immediately. No, there's a way. Just watch what I'm going to be doing. I need a blade to clean the mouth of the charging ports, because the thing is, from factory the charging port is always coated, you understand, and that will prevent rustiness, you understand. So you can see you have to scratch it so that the lead will stand or will hold on to it very well. So then apply little paste, then you let it to clean the mouth of your soldering iron. In fact, even anyone can do this. If you can just follow this step procedure, you can fix your charging port perfectly. So I'm going to apply paste. So the reason for this paste is because the legs are very tiny and very close to each other, so they won't bridge. Do you understand? So then you have to apply. So I'm using liquid gum. So all I just have to just put it inside and just take a little portion out. I just little one. Yeah, that's all I need. Then take more. Okay, I need just you can see I'm trying to let the legs of the charging ports, and that will help me. That will help the charging port to be well fixed. You can see I'm trying to. Then you have to be very careful with it also, so it won't bridge. Cleaning the legs now. Let's see. Yeah. So after that, be sure that there is no bridges or whatever, and if there is, scratch it out. So I want to fix it back now. Then placing the PCB holder on the. I'm supposed to hook it to the PCB holder, but because I needed to do a job that is sensitive, I didn't want to stress myself. Now, in the process of fixing it, you have to put it at the base. You understand? You have to put it at the base, so that, because in this charging port now there is a plastic and metallic this thing, so hitting it from above will damage the charging port. So all you just have to do is hit it from the base. You understand? Hit it from the base. So just see, it's a very beautiful job. It's a very, very beautiful job. So you have to take your time, let it be well heated, so that it can be solid. You can see. I'm trying to position it very well. All right, so engineers, if you or anyone around watching this, please, you need to know the voltage or the position of your hair gun. It must not be too hot, so it won't damage the panel. I'm trying to apply the chemical to clean the surface, should in case there is any spillover. So anyway, I don't even have to check it or try to. It's all perfectly work. So there are two. This is the other one. So that's the first one. So I need to clean it and brush it. This kind of job, I don't have to be testing and testing. So because this is over 8 years of my experience in this job, so there's no problem. There's no need to be checking or whatever. It will definitely work. So trying to check. So now I want to see if it will charge, which I know it will definitely charge. So please, if you want to learn this job, you want to learn in a very, short frame of time, we can actually train you. You can comment you can drop your questions or anything in the comment section. It will definitely charge. It doesn't have a choice. It will definitely charge. I think it's taking a long time because I didn't know that the battery was not well plugged. I didn't know it was not well plugged. So yes, I'm trying to check out what's wrong. This thing should work now. So you can see I had to just check, and yes, it's charging. So thank you for watching. Please share this video, comment, and write your questions. Thank you.